Good afternoon, everybody. 11 minutes after the hour, we're looking north and northwestward right into the face of the winds. The winds have changed direction this afternoon, and again, it feels colder. Granted, the actual temperature is a little warmer than what it was earlier this morning, but feels colder outside. And again, that's courtesy of your Vigo County Credit Union Tower Cam. How about temperatures? 32 degrees right now in Terre Haute, and this is going to be it for a daytime high we mentioned this morning. We'll hit 32 at noon. Start to see those temperatures drop. They're changing. The winds now not out of the southwest, but west, and again, coming out of the northwest shortly for everybody. Relative humidity still up a little bit. How about the bigger picture? Bigger picture showing us we got some stuff showing up, and by stuff, I mean, hey, light snow showers out here into Indiana and both Illinois. And again, you're going to find that the farther north and west you go, as well as north and east you go, that's where the best chances are. And again, you get up here into central Indiana from Indianapolis northward to Lafayette, northward to Kokomo, and northward to Fort Wayne. That's the heaviest snows of this hour. Not accumulating, but again, it's coming down more than a flurry by all means, but still not going to amount to a whole lot. Interstate 74 as well as Interstate 65 north and northwest of Indianapolis, that's where they're finding that. Northern Putnam County, you got a touch of this. You get up into Park and Putnam counties, you got a better chance for some flurries. Out here to the north and to the west as well. From Champaign to Danville down to Charleston, you start to see some flurries as well. Just stepped out the back door and looked around. No flurries downtown yet. But again, as this system continues to roll through here, here's the deal. A few flurries here and there. That's really about it. Now, you get a little bit farther to the north underneath that blue area we were just talking about. It looks worse than a flurry. Actually, technically a snow shower, but not accumulating there. How about at 6 o'clock we break these clouds back up for sunset? That'd be something, wouldn't it? I think we're going to do that. We'll have some holes in these clouds, but remember, they move right back in. The clock at the top stops us at 1 a.m., so while you're sleeping, clouds and flurries move back in, and then they move right back out. See where I'm going with this? Clouds in, clouds out, clouds in, clouds out. Anytime you've got the clouds, watch for flurries. 20 degrees, it's going to be tomorrow morning. Another cold morning, and with winds out of the northwest, wind chills will be colder tomorrow morning than this morning. And not really going to heat up much at all tomorrow. Upper 20s, and by 5 and 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, those clouds move right back in. And here's the deal. It looks like everybody's getting more than a flurry tomorrow night. After 7 and 8 o'clock, if you've got dinner plans, maybe a movie, if you're going to be out and about, say, between 8 to midnight tomorrow night, I think you're going to see some pretty decent snow falling, but not really accumulating. How about a half inch to 1 inch at best? And again, this is very optimistic as far as the high-end numbers out of this system. Moisture kind of starved with it. Regardless, it's going to be cold in the mean-teens for Saturday morning, and that's going to be colder than what we're dealing with right now. These temperatures right here, these are your daytime highs. They're going to start to fall. Wind chills down to 24 in Terre Haute, and again, the temperature's falling because the winds changing direction, going to pick up as well out of the northwest. So a few snow flurries, nothing to accumulate today or tonight, but we do keep some flurries in the forecast. 29 and partly sunny tomorrow, and again, we're just going to be mixing it up there with clouds and sunshine, but not mixing up the precip, which is good news. Looks like it's going to stay an all snow event anytime we're dealing with snow over the next few days and even into the first part of next week. Okay, that being said, a colder weekend in store. Any chance for snow's gone Saturday and Sunday. High of 25 degrees Saturday. Overnight lows down into the teens. Sunday and Monday's trying to warm up a little bit, but again, another cold front moves through Tuesday and Wednesday. That will give us another chance for an inch of snow. That system's still a little far out to really have some concrete numbers there, but 1 to 2 inches is not going to be out of the question. We can just see it looks like it's going to be a little more organized, a little bigger, and hopefully a little more moisture to work with. I say hopefully, but I don't know why I said that.
Well, just keep us posted.
Yeah, I've had my snow for the year. December was enough for me. I'm ready for April.
You're ready for April?
I am.
Hey, how about June?
Well, June's good too. You're right.
Get through the severe weather season.